to Local to Global India's channel. Today we are talking about Vodafone Idea VI. Vodafone is a leader in technology communications through mobile, fixed, broadband and TV. We have extensive experience in connectivity, convergence and Internet of Things IoT, as well as championing mobile financial services and digital transformation in emerging markets. Since making the first mobile call in the UK on 1st January 1985, Vodafone has grown into an international business and one of the most valuable brands in the world. We have mobile operations in 22 countries, partner with mobile networks in 42 more, and provide fixed broadband in 17 markets. As of 30th June 2020, Vodafone Group had approximately 300 plus million mobile customers, 27 million fixed broadband customers, and 22 million TV customers, including all of the customers in Vodafone's joint venture and associates. Share price and shareholding pattern of Vodafone Idea. On NSE, last traded price was 11.10. 52-week low of Vodafone Idea was 2.40. 52-week high of Vodafone Idea was 13.50, whereas lower price brand ranging 10.20 to upper price brand on 12.40. Shareholding pattern of Vodafone Idea are 72% holdings from promoters. MF holdings are rest. Foreign institutional holdings are 7.2%. Other institutions are rest. And public holdings are 17.1%. Current news on Vodafone Idea. Vodafone Idea's MD and CEO Ravinder Thakkar will not be given any remuneration during his current tenure of 3 years, according to a proposal by the company. We feel the slow growth in 4G subscriber addition is temporary because of the shutdown in retail, said Rajiv Sharma, head of the research at SBI Cap Securities. The number will revive to 4% in the ongoing quarter through September and above 5% during the festive season due to increased smartphone sales and accelerated adoption of digital services caused by the pandemic. Telecom gears vendor tower companies expect better prospects after AGR clarity. The AGR ruling of the nation's top court, coupled with the VIL's plan to go for an aggressive rupees 25,000 crores fundraise and stay competitive, has given fresh hopes to tower firms and network vendors that the telecom industry will sustain its three-player market structure, top industry executives said. Disclaimer from local to global India. Our channel's purpose is to promote homegrown Indian products, food, culture, finance, skills, and talent of people to global level. We are following the theme which our Prime Minister said that every Indian has to become vocal for their local. Not only to buy local products but also to promote them proudly. Hence, we are making and publishing videos on homegrown Indian products, food, culture, finance, skills, and talent of people to promote on global level. Also, if you want to advertise or promote any of your product or talent, we Local to Global India will help you. You can mail us on localtoglobalindian@gmail.com. Please like, subscribe, share and comment for more videos. Thanks for taking time to read this. Local to Global India.